Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Enjoyable Kitchen. There are different styles of making macaroni like veg macaroni, masala macaroni and so on. So in this video, I am going to share my style of making a yummy macaroni. Let's get started. So here I had taken around 4 cups of water for 2 cups of macaroni. You can adjust according to your quantity. Then we will add little salt and 1 tablespoon of oil and then the macaroni. Mix well and let the water boil. After the water boils, do not turn the flame off. Let the macaroni cook for another 2 minutes. Then strain it and keep it aside. Do not throw the water as we will use the same water for further cooking. Now add 2 tablespoons of oil and then add 1 medium-sized finely chopped onion. Saute well and cook until the onions turn slightly brown. Then add 1 green chilli finely chopped and 1 medium-sized tomato. Mix nicely, cover and cook for around 5 minutes. Then I am adding 2 tablespoons of corn. You can add as many vegetables as per your choice. Then let's add cheese cubes in it. Next add the macaroni. And now here I am adding around 2 tablespoons of soya sauce. I like to have a really dark brown color of macaroni. You can put less according to your preference. Then a pinch of vinegar and 1 teaspoon of onion garlic masala, that is kanda lasun masala. Then add 1 tablespoon of tomato sauce. And then for the yummy spiciness in the macaroni, I am going to add chow mein Hakka noodles masala. You can add any other masala of your choice, but this masala will give a very nice taste. Then add salt. Mix everything nicely and then add little water which we had kept aside, and then the freshly chopped coriander leaves. Mix well and cook for around 10 minutes on low-medium flame with lid on. And here you go with the amazing yummy macaroni. Garnish it with grated cheese and enjoy. If you like the recipe, then do like, comment and share, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.